Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Chimex here again, and on today's episode we are going to Njombe Pinja. Yep, actually I must confess, this is my first time going towards this direction. Like whenever I'm leaving Douala, I go straight to the southwest, but this is going to be my first time moving towards this direction. And what's taking me there? Daddy sent us to Njombe to go collect fruit plants and plant them at his residence in Boya. So on today's episode, I'll be taking you guys to Njombe, get the fruit plants, get some little ideas or knowledge of what I learned, give you guys a tour of his mansion, the interior look, just a glimpse of his interior, and we'll just discuss and enjoy our time. Please do not forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. So right now we are at Banga de Lapiro de Banga. This is Banga, like one of the biggest towns in this area. And now let's drive on to Njombe. For those who don't know, like myself, this is where they get cement from. The cement cam, Dangote, all of them, this is where they tap their cement from before processing it and mixing it with other things. But this is where they get the main raw materials from. But it still baffles me how the prices of cement is climbing every day and every day. So we are at Njombe right now. We just secured the fruit trees. So we'll be heading back to Boya to do the planting. And I'm going to take you guys along through the process every step of the way as usual. All right, let's go.
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
Go find for the front door.
For front door.
For front door.
Like the bunda yellow.
That mango stand.
Mango stand.
Fine for decoration and this one. Fine for be very expensive.
Did the chopper man?
Yes.
We yellow so now.
Yes. Go find for the front door.
Okay.
Then this citrus there.
Yes.
All this citrus too. Fine for the front door.
Okay.
Then long pear and so on. The video for back.
Okay.
All right. Now drafted plant. Francium. You see, this is the way this is not big.
Yes.
They will plant them. They make 1 month back and call me, I will go down. Now me I will go open them.
Okay.
Because if we talk to any man open them, if you go inside woman.
Yes.
Then if they want carry the plants,
Yes.
the whole are not here,
Okay.
they just cut that rope, start losing as small then the whole wrapping.
Yes.
May not try for hold the plants.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, they dig the whole fine.
Yes.
The plant.
The plant or the wrapper?
No.
That's a good question. When we first reach now, when the one plant,
Yes.
the water and may wait time. Then they will take the wrapping, express and so forth.
Yes. We don't put water there.
Yes, they don't put water and they don't wait time. They don't tear them. When they don't dig the whole, the stand and inside, they tear them with the blade or with knife. Small, so that you make that ground still remain with the plants. May not scatter.
May not scatter.
Yes. If it scatter, it goes straight from under.
So on my way coming back from Njombe, I saw so many cars heading to the west. So many cars. My Bamileke brothers, I love the way you guys rep your village. Like you guys represent your village 100. So what's happening in the village? Is it like a tradition that every weekend you guys must go back to the village, or it's just something which you guys love to do? So just hit me up in the comment section. Let's talk about it.
Build the kind of embankment. They fill them so that you get 2 platforms. You get party, you put canopies over here. For the other side, you get 3 platforms. So any two they plant over here, they plant on the edges. Even when they walk, they nothing touch it.
So they no garden no go be where they go homegrown.
No garden. No garden.
If one make garden, for example, that's how way it go be tree. If you sacrifice one for a small garden.
So all chop with the one chop they go buy about for market.
Put this grade for that area.
They don't put water inside already.
Put that now grade that no. Put the mandarin for the other end. Yes. Then now, after you do a short video just from my shoe up.
From your shoe? Okay. I know we all have been dying to see the inside, myself inclusive. So there we have it. That's the kitchen, as you can see. Very big, very, very big. Golden taps. What I love the most about these kitchens are the cabinets. The kitchen cabinets are so well done and very, very neat. You know, I have a thing for finishing, and when something is well finished, like I can go crazy. So there you have the main sitting area, very big and long chandelier. So right now they are doing the coating, I should say, before the main paint comes in, the main oil paint, just to make it look bang. So here we have the VIP parlor, the VIP salon. As you can see, a lot of work still being done, but it's almost finished. And as usual, technician come for can lambi.
I don't hear one problem here. So you do I explain. Don't know it be simple. Hey, you can't lock the whole day. I want to make every 2 acres the grammar finish. All that.
But you just maintain these furniture in here. This is Versace.
Now, gold furniture is not. It be meant for this color.
Not only the 2 there, also other one there.
No, all of these two. It depends on the table from middle. This thing so. It covers for that angle. Now they chop the pallet. Don't get this chair, that chair. You want to go with that angle.
I was thinking of a Winchester chair.
As I get some money then, something in the way I will replace them systematically. Before enter this house, look for example, that chair that run me for this soup, that they will be there. That chair that run me for the main part of it, that they will be there. That chair that they now for this one, so they will clean that they will be here. That chair that they will house of Douala, that they go the part for all. The house won't be.
Okay.
Now the only thing I make are now.
So right here we have the master bedroom. This house is so big, it has 2 master bedrooms. One upstairs and one downstairs. The one upstairs is for now. Mommy and daddy, they still have enough energy to climb up the stairs. But in the future, when there will be not much energy like now, they'll use the downstairs bedroom. So here we have the master bathroom. With golden showers. Golden showers, my brother. Yeah. This life better get money, yo.
So you can chop the middle for normal time, something like that.